As Russia keeps losing a lot of equipment, Ukrainian drone operators need to work hard to clean up the battlefield. As seen here, a Ukrainian drone finds 3 vehicles, 2 BMP-1 and a BTR-80. While some of Ukraine's drones have multiple warhead payload capability, some just have one. In this case it looks like the drone only has one, as it only targets one of the BMP-1s. While we can be certain it will go back and forth or call in a reinforcement to finish the job, making sure none of the vehicles can be brought back into service. As a bonus clip, we have another Ukrainian drone operator finding an abandoned truck, using a more rare incendiary grenade, causing a small fire under and next to the truck which catches on, taking the truck out of service. That's all I had for this video. Thanks to everyone that helped this channel reach 20,000 subscribers or support it in other ways. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.